Before accessing the dashboard, we go to student register, or if you have already a account, punta ka lang sa student login, which is, and then the system requires secure login credentials before accessing the dashboard of the student. So need natin ng CAPTCHA. So kapag mali, dito naman po tayo sa may admin login. Invalid credentials are rejected to prevent unauthorized access. So, dapat po tama yung ilagay nating password and username. Ito po yung dashboard ng admin. And then, pwede po tayong mag-add user. Create user. User created successfully. Ito po. And then, pwede po natin siyang i-edit. And then, pwede din po tayong mag-delete ng user. Deleted successfully. Then, pwede po tayong mag-view or read. Then, reject, approve or reject. Then, ito na po yung print preview. The system also includes filtering functionality for faster record management. For example, gusto po nating makita yung mga pending clearance requests. Pindutin lang po natin
yung apply filter, and then magpapakita po yung mga pending clearance request. And then pag gusto po natin makita yung mga approve, and then pag gusto po natin makita yung mga rejected, click apply filtering, and then magpapakita po yung mga rejected. Or pag gusto po natin makita lahat ng clearance request, all status. We have also activity log in admin panel. The activity log records important user actions within the system. This improve monitoring and accountability. Dito po sa activity log, meron po tayong date and time, user, action, details, and IP address. Makikita po natin kung ano yung ginawa nila, kung nag-login ba sila, nag-log out, and then nag-reject ng clearance request, and then nag-create ng user.
Backup restore, dito is mag-choose ka ng file to back up, and then pwede mo siyang i-download.